Before working any of D, I'm first going to simplify this equation. I'm going to distribute the 1/2, and then I'm going to move the 1 over. So this would be y minus 1 equals 1/2 x plus 4. Then when I add the 1 over, this would turn into y equals 1/2 x plus 5. I'm going to use this equation just because it looks simpler. So calculate the intercepts algebraically. So those are those zeros. So 0 for the x, and then separately 0 for the y. So for the y-intercept here, the y-intercept, I'm going to plug 0 in for x. So y equals 1/2 0 plus 5. So y equals 5. Okay, for the x-intercept, I'm going to plug 0 in for y. So 0 equals 1/2 x plus 5. Now I need to do some solving here. I'll move the 5 over. And at this point, I'm going to multiply by 2. I could have multiplied 2 at the beginning to get rid of the fraction, but it doesn't matter when we do that. So negative 10 equals 1x. So x is negative 10. Okay, now to create a table of 4 solutions. This is where we get to pick any x's and y's we want. But to be a little bit strategic here, to save some time, I already have 2 solutions, the intercepts. So I'm going to say 0, 5 and negative 10, 0 are 2 solutions. And now I'm going to pick 2 other x values that I want to use. Now, since my equation, I'm multiplying x by 1/2, I'm going to choose numbers that are divisible by 2, like 2 and 4, to make this math a little easier. So now it's 1/2 of x plus 5. That would be 6. And 1/2 of 4 plus 5. That would be 7. Those are 2 more solutions to this equation.